The only other credit card to me that is similar to the Menards credit card, because with the Menards credit card, you can use that at Speedway. The only other credit card, and you can use it at Quick Trip too. But the only credit card that's similar to that to me is like the Walmart credit card or the BJ's credit card because they have the gas connection. So those are credit cards that you can also use for gas. But there may be other credit cards, but those is the ones that I know like off the top of my head. Let's go ahead and look at like the BJ's credit card. I believe I have it on here. Let's double check. Um, I believe I have it on here. Yeah. Yeah, this is definitely one that you'll be able to use for gas. Yeah, so you're gonna save 10 cent per gallon every day at BJ's gas. So this is one that you can use for gas. It's very similar to like the Menards credit card. Let me duplicate this screen and then also I guess using the Walmart credit card too. You guys will be able to use that one for gas because Walmart they have their own gas station, so you guys will be able to use that credit card at that Walmart gas station. And let me just in case other people are wondering that Menards credit card. Um, let's see. This is that Menards credit card here. You guys will be able to get this credit card and you can use it. Like when I had mine, I used to always use it at Speedway because I love Speedway at the time. I rarely use it now. Wawa is like my favorite now. Or what is that? I forgot what's the other one I use now because I got the cheaper gas for me. But you guys are able to use this at different places. Like here it is right here. So you can use it at Speedway, and you guys are going to get a 1% rebate on gas and merchandise. So you use at Speedway, Holiday, and Quick Trip, so and Quick Star. So this is where you'll be able to actually use the Menards credit card, and which is really good for those people that's looking to use it for gas. But definitely check out that BJ's credit card too, because you can use it for gas. But I guess this is not necessarily just like a store card because this is going to be a MasterCard. But this is all what came to my mind. So hopefully